Find the radius of a circle given the circumference. You don't need any new knowledge to answer this question, although it is a little bit harder. You can pause the video and give it a go. If the circumference of a circle is 20, find the radius. So there's two variables in here which we're concerned with, the circumference and the radius. Now, I know that the circumference of a circle is pi d. So really, I'm just going to use that because that's what I know, that's the formula I know that involves circumference. And it tells me the circumference of the circle is 20. So I could say that 20 must be equal to pi times the diameter. Now, if I want to get the diameter multiplied by pi should give me 20. So the diameter on its own must be 20 divided by pi. What I'm doing there is dividing both sides by pi. And then you do 20 divided by pi in the calculator. And that gives you to three significant figures, 6.37. Now I've got the accurate number still in my calculator. The radius then is the diameter divided by 2. It's half the diameter. So the radius is going to be 6.37 divided by 2. I don't divide 6.37. I divide the number in my calculator, the accurate one, and it gives me 3.18 to three significant figures. 3.18 centimeters.